applause. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, WeChat, the brand, is now launched officially in India.
Thank you, guys. First of all, a very good afternoon to all of you all, and thank you for taking precious time and coming here to meet all of us at the launch of WeChat.
That was Varun behaving himself because I told him to. But thank you very much. We can't see any of you right now. We are totally blind, so I'm assuming you guys are sitting somewhere. Yeah, so thank you very much, everybody, for coming. Hi. We are open to any questions you have, as per however they want to go ahead with the event.
First of all, I think I'll be the one asking the questions, and then we'll get to the audience shortly.
परिनीति की आदत है, जहाँ भी जाती है वो सबकी ले लेती है. But please बैठ जाओ. देखो टीचर ऑलरेडी बन गई वो. Dennis, please sit. So can I sit next to you, परिनीति? हाँ, हाँ मैं गोद पे बैठ जाता हूँ इनके. हाँ वो तो इसके बाद भी होगा. पहले questions कर ले. ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है. ये पिलो में रख देते हैं.
That's fine. Okay, Dennis, you need to go to the next one. You will be here. Don't worry. That's okay. That's good. That'll be good also. Yeah.
Thank you. Me and Varun, come.
Come. Sit here.
All right, so we'll have time for a photo opportunity later.
I'll sit here. I'll sit here.
If you could just take a seat. Thank you.
Take your seat. That will be you. That's your mic. Thank you. And on this and you'll take that seat. On that seat is for you. That's you.
Yeah.
This one.
Dennis, you sit.
Yeah. Dennis, you go there.
Sorry.
Musical chairs.
Musical chairs.
All right, now that everyone's settled.
Okay. Now we're all set.
All right.
So I'm going to start by asking you all some questions. Varun, let's start with you. So I've seen the film. It's fantastic. We saw that WeChat is a feature-studded application. I wanted to ask you if you could pick one feature from WeChat that you really like. Which one would that be?
I think that's a pretty easy one because I think as they've showcased before the launch also, the one feature that really stands out and which isn't really there in other chatting applications is the voice messenger that it has. You can record your voice and send people. In fact, I can demo bhi dikha sakta hu aap sabko actually. One second. Actually, before coming, परिनीति ने मेरे को मैसेज भेजे थे काफी. मैं आपको एक सुना देता हूँ. It's an application for the phone.
The first rule, you can't carry your phone.
कोई rule है ऐसे क्या?
On a stage.
लिखा है क्या ऐसे किधर?
You're fired.
Sinta will fire me anyway. तो which message you want me to play? एक बहुत अश्लील वाला है. मैं दूसरा वाला play कर देता हूँ.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
By the time I get ready, it will be 1 o'clock, and we can finish by 3, and we can leave, and then we can go to Bandra, whatever.
मतलब basically उन्होंने मुझसे नहीं पूछा मेरे को कब आना है, कब जाना है. बोलते हैं we'll come this time, we'll leave this time. बस. तो ये परिनीति की.
ये कोई और था, ये मैं नहीं थी.
नहीं यही थी. और एक और है.
Well,
love you, Arun. I want to be with you.
हाँ,
क्या
वो
है,
मैं
क्या
ही
ये?
थी, वो मैं ही थी.
Parineeti, if I had to ask you the same question, what would your answer be? What is your favorite feature?
Actually, I wouldn't like to repeat an answer, but the voice messaging of WeChat is definitely unprecedented and unparalleled. Of course, being the face of a brand, you always say, you know, this is what we use, etc., etc. But Varun and I, when we were told about the brand for the very first time, we downloaded it there and then, and we only use WeChat now. So yes, the voice messaging is amazing. The emoticons that are on this chat, I mean, they are hilarious. They are so personal. They're so sweet. You feel like it's a human. You know, it's so sweet. Images are uploaded really fast, and it's really, really convenient. I know everybody says this about their own applications, but because I use it every day, I can totally vouch for it. And you guys should download it too.
Free.
That's the key word right there. Dennis, I have to ask you, why exactly is a mobile application doing an ad campaign?
So as I said during the presentation earlier, the biggest reason why we are ready for the ads campaign is in the last half year we have spent a lot of time on improving the infrastructure, and also we have already accumulate, you know, sizable user base already. So we are very ready to get to the next stage, and we want to extend our reach to a massive user base, and then so that WeChat is a platform that more user, more fun.
And you even love India.
Oh, we love India. That's also a very good reason. And
You love
yeah.
India, we love India, but what makes the application so successful even globally? What's the secret?
As Pari also pointed out that she loved the WeChat because the response rate is really fast. So we care a lot about performance, response rate, and we keep on improving our infrastructure just to make sure that when you're using WeChat, it's real time. It's like it's delivered. So this is also one of the big reasons. And also we care a lot about localization. We work with a local team. We work with local celebrities to really make sure that, you know, we are serving our local market needs. So this is one of the very main reasons we care about our users. So the user experience is the key to
And
success.
Dennis, the million-dollar question, which I know everyone wants an answer to, will the application remain free?
It will remain free for all the consumers, for sure.
Okay, that's good to hear.
You know, I want to add something here because since you spoke about the global market,
Sure.
I think today the world is only getting smaller. I studied in Nottingham in England and I came back over here. So I have a lot of friends over there. I think a lot of people have friends in different parts of the world. Like my bhabhi, her dad is doing business in China, so he's always there. So she had WeChat even before I was offered to endorse WeChat.
I second that. All
So-
my friends in London, because I studied in Manchester.
Stop showing off.
Just keep quiet. So all my friends also had it, and they were only surprised that I had learned about it now. So they said, "Oh, so you know about WeChat now?" They weren't excited that I was chosen as the face. They didn't really care. They were like, "Oh, you know now. We know since 3 years." So they were so excited because they use it all the time. And in India, we are very limited to the applications we use. But truly, this application is really different, and you guys must try it.
Hi everybody, this is Zoeb Khan from Media.
Sorry, just before you start, I'd like to request you all to please only keep the questions regarding the WeChat application. Thank you.
Hi Varun, hi Parineeti, both of you are looking great. So how crazy are you both about chatting on networking sites?
I think more than crazy, we're lazy. And that is why we don't like to pick up the phone and SMS or call. So we like to chat. I mean, I do that all the time. I'm on the phone constantly. And any chatting application is welcome to a lot of youngsters. All we're saying is switch to WeChat.
I think I totally agree with her. I think today to communicate through an application is the best thing, is the way forward. I think WeChat is become the preferred way of communication in terms of applications today. And I'm having a blast ever since I downloaded it because it even has a privacy setting.
Yeah.
which on other applications you don't have. Anyone can message you, abuse you, say anything. But on WeChat, you can choose who you want to communicate with as well. So I think that's why it's really good, at least for me to use.
Well, Mr. Razdan, my question is to you. Well, of course, Varun and Praniti, they are the latest heartthrobs. So what's the other reason you would like to count, you just took them as your brand ambassador?
I think the presence itself proves a point, and the kind of response you are getting from you guys from their presence, I think in a way validates why Varun and Parineeti. I think they're extremely talented, extremely popular with, so again, I'll kind of go back a little. Dennis was mentioning we spent about 6 months understanding the market. And I think a lot of that, what we understood from the market, went into, the choice of Varun and Parineeti as our brand ambassadors. And going by the response in the last few days, I think it's awesome.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. Very humbling.
परिणीति और वरुण आपसे सवाल है आपके राइट में. आलोक here from OS.
कैसे हो आप सर?
All well. WhatsApp से WeChat पे आ गए हैं अभी. सवाल ये है कि इसमें ग्रुप चैट का ऑप्शन है, तो आपसे वरुण आपके ग्रुप में कौन कौन से बॉलीवुड के सितारे आएंगे जिनसे आप ग्रुप चैट करना चाहेंगे? एंड परिणीति यही सवाल आपसे भी.
मेरे ग्रुप में अर्जुन है, परिणीति है, मेरे जितने भी दोस्त हैं जो डायरेक्टर है, एक्टर हूँ तो डायरेक्टर जैसे दोस्त रखना बहुत बेहतर है मेरे लिए अभी. तो जैसे शकुन है, अभिषेक है जो अभी धर्मा के लिए पिक्चर बना रहे हैं. फिर I'll try to run on it as well. Let's see. And बहुत सारे लोग हैं ऐसे तो. मेरे बहुत सारे स्कूल के फ्रेंड्स हैं जो ऑन है यार. जो मेन बात है, मेरे ज़्यादातर दोस्त जो होते हैं मेरे स्कूल के दोस्त हैं. आई थिंक दैट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, क्योंकि काम करने के बाद यू हैव टू लाइक मेक अ प्लान विद देम. तो ग्रुप चैट रहता है तो आई से लेट्स मीट एट माय प्लेस और लेट्स गो गेट अ पिज्जा और समथिंग लाइक दैट. तो सब लोग का मैसेजेस आता है, अब डिस्टर्ब मत कर, तेरा काम हो गया.
परिणीति आप?
सेम एक्चुअली हम लोग एक दूसरे की लिस्ट पे हैं एंड हमारे फ्रेंड्स एक्चुअली काफी सारे कॉमन हैं. तो अर्जुन, आजकल मैं सिड को भी बोल रही हूँ कि चलो तुम
सिड भी है, आप मत मार, सिड मेरा.
ही इज नॉट ऑन माय लिस्ट येट. व्हाट इज दिस? तो अभी मैं उसको बोलने वाली हूँ. तो एक्चुअली आवर लिस्ट्स आर क्वाइट सिमिलर अपार्ट फ्रॉम ईच अदर. एंड येस, आई आल्सो हैव अ लॉट ऑफ यूनिवर्सिटी फ्रेंड्स. माय होल फैमिली, मेरे कजिन सब वीचैट पे थे, मुझे पता ही नहीं था, तो एक्चुअली बहुत अभी लिस्ट बढ़ रही है. बट आज हमारा लॉन्च है तो आई थिंक इसके बाद और भी बढ़ेगी.
अंबाला में भी डाउनलोड कर दिया लोग ने.
अंबाला इज मच मोर एडवांस देन ओके.
तो आई एम जस्ट आस्किंग, आई एम नॉट सेइंग एनीथिंग.
प्लीज बिहेव.
दूसरा सवाल ये कि ऐड हमने देख लिया, ऐड में आप दोनों एक दूसरे से एक गाने के ऊपर एक्शन रिएक्शन कर रहे हैं. वो गाना अगर लाइव हमारे सामने हो जाए, एक आप करें और एक...
बोला था मैंने, इनसे बोला था कि ऐसी कोई फरमाइश आएगी.
फरमाइश है.
और जैसे
1 2
जानते हैं
3
कि इनके जो वोकल्स है बहुत ही बेहतरीन है, तो क्यों नहीं
to say that he is not a good singer.
मैं लिप सिंग अच्छा कर लेता हूँ. तो वी कैन ट्राई. तो चलो.
I think it'd be nice if you guys sing a little bit for us.
We can sing another song also.
You sing your lines, I'll sing your lines. No, yeah. Huh? You sing your lines, I'll sing my lines.
I'll sing your lines also. I have no problem.
Oh God. चलो 1 2 3 4. अच्छा तो हम चलते हैं,
फिर कब मिलोगे,
जब तुम कहोगे.
कहा?
कल? नहीं, परसों.
परसों?
वही जहाँ कोई आता जाता नहीं.
That's room 380. I'll see you there.
Well
Thank
done.
Hello, this is for Parineeti and Varun.
आप कहाँ हैं?
Last
कहाँ
year,
हैं?
last May.
I can see you.
Yes.
Hands up.
Yeah.
हाँ. Oh God.
Good
Yes.
afternoon to you. And this
Hi,
is Raj
sir.
from media. I'd like to ask you that what branding means to you, both of you.
What?
Branding means to you.
Branding to what?
Branding means.
What the branding
Brands
means to
mean
you.
to us.
I think
What
it's.
branding
I think it's a very relative question because it can mean anything. But for me, I think primarily it's the goodwill a brand has always, because even sorry, मैं थोड़ा finance में जा रहा हूँ, but when you value a company, हम लोग always, we keep a little amount away for goodwill. The company's goodwill is so much. So if a company has a lot of goodwill, that just shows the brand loyalty that people have for it, how much people love the brand. And with WeChat, I think, how many people are already on WeChat before you all hit the Indian market?
So 300 million people globally.
300 million people. So that just shows so much brand loyalty and love all over. So I don't see why they can't repeat the success in India as well. So I think that's my answer.
Yeah, and I also think that brand also associate highly with the image. So the reason why we chosen Pari and Arun is because both of these artists are very much energetic, fun, humor, and and love to connect, with each other, on communication, of course. And yeah, and that's what we call the brand, I think. Yeah.
Yeah, for me it's very similar. See, we are actors. We are in a visual medium. So almost everything we do has got to do with the image, how we look, what we say, what we wear, where we associate with, who we are associated with, what films we are doing. So a brand is no different. I mean, personally to myself, I always choose brands that have some kind of personal connect to me. And in this day and age, being the age that I am, a youngster, if I may call myself.
How old are you?
24. And how old are you? 29 and a half. So,
I'm 26, huh?
it was very easy for me to choose this brand because it's something that is, again, very personal to me. It's something that I do every day in my life. Yes, this application was new to me, I'll be very honest. But once I used it, it's not anymore. So, again, I think the reason they chose us and we chose them is really the same because we somewhere meet.
Pariniti, hi. Abhishek from...
Yes, hi.
परिणीति और वरुण, आप दोनों से मेरा ये सवाल है कि अगर वरुण आपको किसी एक्ट्रेस के साथ फ्लर्ट करने का मौका दिया जाए वी चैट पे और आपको परिणीति किसी एक्टर के साथ, किसको आप वॉइस नोट भेजना चाहोगे और क्या स्माइली भेजोगे?
किसी की घंटी बज गई।
वो किसी और के फोन की बज गई, आप बता दो।
मेरी बजा ही रहे हो आप, पर फिर भी किसी एक्चुअली एक्ट्रेस के साथ क्यों यार, इतनी जो नॉर्मल लड़कियां होती है जो एक्ट्रेसेस नहीं है, वो लोग प्रिटी नहीं होती है क्या? मुझे तो बहुत अच्छी लगती है जो एक्ट्रेसेस नहीं है इनफैक्ट, पर किसी एक्ट्रेस के साथ, मैं कोई सीनियर एक्ट्रेस के साथ फ्लर्ट करना चाहूँगा जिसकी जुर्रत मुझे आमने सामने नहीं होगी, तो शायद कटरीना कैफ।
अच्छा,
सब लोग पिटेगा पिटेगा पिटेगा।
If I had to choose Ranbir.
क्यों रणबीर क्यों? और आपने?
Because क्योंकि what are you doing? Why? Sorry. Ranbir because he's my favorite actor, one of my favorite actors in the current generation. So yeah.
और आपने तो वरुण आलिया का नाम ही नहीं लिया, सोच रहे थे आप आलिया बोलोगे।
है? आंसर उसका था कि आपका था?
पूछ रहा हूँ ऐसे।
नहीं, very bad.
आलिया मेरी दोस्त है, मैं उसके साथ फ्लर्ट कैसे कर सकता हूँ?
Hi, here, straight. सबसे पहले जानना चाहूँगा जब आपको ये वी चैट हेलो सबसे पहले ये जानना चाहूँगा जब आपने ये इसके ये जो वी चैट का आपको ऑफर किया गया ब्रांड एम्बेसडर बनने का, इसके ब्रांड जब यस कहा आपने इसको, तो व्हाट आर द क्राइटेरिया यू चूज लाइक टू से यस टू एनी ब्रांड, पर्टिकुलर एनी ब्रांड?
I just answered that 2 minutes ago that for me, I need to have some kind of personal connect. I'm endorsing a few different brands right now and all those brands and I have some kind of personal connect. या तो मैंने बचपन में उसको यूज़ किया हुआ है या मैं currently उसको यूज़ करती हूँ या पर्सनल लाइफ में या कुछ पर्सनल कनेक्ट होना चाहिए। तो वीचैट के साथ भी यही हुआ ना, जब उन्होंने बोला कि इट्स अ फ़ोन एप्लीकेशन, तो मैंने सोचा अरे वो मतलब मुझे क्यों ज़रूरत है, यू नो। बट जब मैंने उसके फीचर्स देखे, आई सॉ दैट इट्स डेफिनेटली बेटर देन एनीथिंग दैट आई हैव सीन, सो इट वाज वेरी इजी टू से यस।
आपका एक ऐड इमरान के साथ है और एक वरुण के साथ।
One at a time, please.
I have to agree with her on this because when we got offered this, she actually called me and we spoke about it, and she had actually heard, researched about the app or seen about the app, and she told me about it, and it sounded so exciting. So I can really second on this that usability is very important. That if you don't use the product yourself, then what's the use of endorsing it? There's no reason that you can endorse it. And we both are actually on WeChat and we both do use WeChat, so hence we are endorsing it.
आप एक ऐड इमरान के साथ कर रही हैं, दूसरा वरुण के साथ है आपका, तो which ad you enjoy most and which things you use personally most? Mangola or WeChat?
I use everything that I endorse. I think I'm the kind of actor who will not be able to lie on screen. So I use everything, and that is the truth. And anybody who knows me personally will know that I'm very honest. So I use all of them. What was the other question? Who I enjoyed. See, you know, a lot of people ask you, who is your favorite co-star, who is whatever, whatever. It doesn't matter, you know, when you work with somebody, I work with people who I get along with, touch wood, abhi tak. So I've enjoyed myself with everybody. Imran was a different experience. Varun and I know each other because he and Arjun know each other bachpan se. So Ishak Zade ke time I met him. So we were friends already. So it was very easy to work with him.
And she's very honest.
Hello.
Okay, we have 2 more questions. Last 2 questions.
Hello.
Yes, the young lady in the middle there.
Hi. This question is to both of you. If you could add one feature to WeChat, what would you add? Any one feature?
That's a very good one, actually.
I know.
Yeah. I think one feature, see, WeChat already has so many features. I think what we've shown you all right now are not all the features it has. It already has a lot of features. I can tell you one feature it has, which I don't think so they've told you about. It's about, on WeChat, there's an application, you can take your own picture, you know, and how you'll have, like not the emoticons, like how you can add effects to it on WeChat itself. So you don't need to go to any other application to add any other effects to it. Over there and there you can add an effect to it, and I think that's really in right now because people post pictures with effects right now on all the applications online. But it's present in this also.
Hello.
New feature. I know.
I don't think there's any feature left. Have you guys left any feature to be added? I don't think they've left anything.
Hello, good afternoon. Very lovely shoot, the ad, the people, everything's excellent, very
Thank you,
racy.
sir. Thank you, sir.
But a little positive and technically, you're all, I can't address it, but then according to the modern technology, you could have had the film corrected because they look completely flat on the longer screen. So, looks like a football field if you see it again. I mean, that's a technical correction. And if it goes on the air, it would have been better, it would have been a normal images and not the flat images.
That's fair. I think we've taken that feedback, passed it on to our partners. Thank you so much
Thank
for the
you,
feedback.
sir. I am sure the chat team is here. They will take it in account. Thank you.
Our local team is right there, just copying the comment. Thank you.
Thank you so much for joining us.
I
That's
think-
all we have time for today. We request you to join us for lunch. For those of you who'd like to have a one-on-one interaction with our guests, please reach out to Rupali and Noshi, who are present at the special live interaction zones. There's one over there and one over there. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you,
Varun,
everyone.
Pariniti.
Varun,
I've been saying it all this while, I think you said it. The voice.
the voice chat, I think, वो एक ऐसा फीचर है जो किसी एप्लीकेशन में नहीं है एंड सबसे ज़्यादा सी द रीज़न हम लोग एप्लीकेशंस डाउनलोड करते हैं ताकि हमें कन्वीनियंस मिले एंड वॉइस मैसेजिंग बहुत ही ज़्यादा कन्वीनियंट फीचर है वी चैट का.
ब्रांड आपके पास आने लगी है कि परिणीति भी अ पार्ट ऑफ हाउ द फीलिंग ऑल टुगेदर कितना जल्दी
नॉट ओनली मी एक्चुअली हम सब जिन्होंने 1-2 साल में डेब्यू किया है हम सब टचवुड बहुत मेहनत कर रहे हैं एंड द गुड थिंग इज़ मैंने पहले भी ये कहा है कि उसका फल थोड़ा थोड़ा मिल रहा है लेकिन हमारे हाथ में कुछ नहीं है. हमारी ऑडियंस जब तक हमें देखना चाहेगी हम तभी तक रह सकते हैं. एट द मोमेंट वो हमें देखना चाह रही है. आई जस्ट होप फॉर ऑल आर से कि वो हमें देखना कंटिन्यू करें.
आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे बहुत कम वक्त में बहुत कुछ हैपनिंग सा हो रहा है.
आई थिंक आई टोटली सेकंड ये जो कह रही है बिल्कुल सही कह रही है कि बहुत कम वक्त में सब हुआ है और हमें फल भी मिल रहा है. पर आई थिंक द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इज़ कि एक्टर के तौर पे आपका काम कैसा है, लोगों को आपको एंटरटेन करना है, वही आप हमारा काम है. और कर्म that we don't bore the people, and we have to give our best in every film we do. In everything we do in today's day and age, you have to put your best foot forward because you can't take anything for granted.
True.
Right. आपके पहले फिल्म से नेशनल अवार्ड की अभी उम्मीदें बहुत ज़्यादा हो गई हैं, ऑडियंस की हंसी तो फंसी अब पाइपलाइन में है. एज एन एक्टर आप मानते हैं कि जिम्मेदारी ज़्यादा बढ़ जाती है?
एक्चुअली मैं कहना चाहूँगी नहीं, मैं बहुत ही शुक्रगुजार हूँ कि मुझे नेशनल अवार्ड मिला, लेकिन अगर मुझे ना भी मिलता तो भी मैं उतनी ही मेहनत करती हर फिल्म में. ऐसा तो नहीं है कि अभी अवार्ड मिला है तो ज़्यादा मेहनत करनी है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. मैं अपनी एबिलिटी की 100% मेहनत कर रही हूँ. तो यस, मुझे मोटिवेशन बहुत इंक्रीज़ हो गया कि हाँ, अगर मैं अच्छा मेहनत अगर करूँगी तो कोई उसको देख रहा है एंड मुझे अवार्ड्स या अप्रिसिएशन या जो भी आप कहो वो सब मुझे मिलेगा. लेकिन मेरा हार्डवर्क उतना ही रहेगा.
थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू. थैंक्स.
थैंक यू सो मच.